over the last few days and weeks, there's been also talk about this new platform called Bolt.new. And in this video, I'm going to review the platform and give you my honest thoughts on it and the things that you can create on it. So here I am in Bolt.new, and the first thing I want to do is drop the presentation with SlideV, whatever that might mean. So it's not something that I've used before, and I'm just curious what I can create with this. So you're saying I'm importing your stack build project into Bolt. This may take a moment as I set everything up. But already I'm able to explore and interact with your code. Okay, all good. How can Bolt help you today? Create me a presentation about dog training. Obviously, as soon as I hit enter, I need to sign up. So let me just do that. And after a few seconds, that authenticated well. So you're saying I'll help you create a presentation about dog training using SlideV. I'll modify the slides with engaging content about dog training techniques. So this is writing the code right here. Types of rewards, treats, praise, dogs, toys, physical affection, life rewards, whatever it might be. So you're saying that I created a presentation about all the stuff. And now that that is done, there's the code there. There's the preview. Press space for next page. And the created. Okay, there's some white text on white backgrounds. Okay, cool. Just created the slides. I can also hit deploy. Now, well, it says I'll help you deploy it. So it's building the application, deploying to Netlify, and starting the application. And then I'll get the URL where the presentation will be accessible. So this is taking a few seconds. And in the meantime, I'm going to open up a new window. And let's say I want to build a Chrome extension. Let me send data to a webhook in make.com. Okay, so this seems to be ready. Just live at this URL. If I go there, let me see if I open this up in incognito. This works as well. And this seems to be working well. So basic principles. I can press space to move through this. I can press to the left or right as well to navigate. Okay, nice. So that created a presentation. So this could also replace any presentation making tool you might be using. So let's go back to this right here. So this is I want to build a Chrome plugin to send data to make.com. So it's creating the manifest, the pop-up, the HTML of that, the JSON, the icons as well. So that's interesting. So they're creating the data for the images. Let's have a look in a second. What hasn't asked me yet is where I want to send the information. So I'm just going to create, in the meantime, a new scenario in make.com and come up with a webhook for that while this is creating stuff. So I have a custom webhook here, and I have the URL in my clipboard. So this seems to still be creating the icon. As you can see, it also created a bunch of stuff right here, which I'm curious to test out and see if it actually works. Let's see. If I hit preview, if anything happens yet, no. Okay, so the extension can add pop-ups with a simple interface where you can enter your make.com URL and put the data you want to send, click combine into sets. Okay, great. Install the extension, there's the instructions. All right, great. So now I guess if I hit download, I got that project right there. And if I extract to a folder, this is what I get. So I have all the stuff in there. Okay, let's go ahead and see if this works in Chrome extensions. So I can load unpacked, can go to my project, choose the folder, and that might be it. Select folder, webhook sender, that is right there. So I'm going to pin this webhook sender. And now let's open up a Google tab. Have the webhook sender. Okay, enter your make webhook URL. Enter data to send. So this is the webhook here. It's now sending for data. If I press send, nothing actually happens. Okay, go back here. Nothing happens when I press send. The data didn't get sent to make.com. Okay, so it's fixing up the stuff. And we can try this again in a second. Just delete the downloads. I like that this is, compared to ChatGPT, for example, it's making changes to all the relevant files immediately. So let's try this again, download. I'm going to extract. And my extensions, I'm going to choose load unpacked. And select the folder here. Refresh this. So these should be the errors from before. Let's try again. Refresh this. Try again. Test. Send to webhook. Sending and data sent. Wow. Okay, cool. Kevin test. Send again. Now that's sending information. Awesome. That was a great way to build that up. Can we make the insert attachments? Yes, you can. Okay, let's see if we can make this look nicer. So let's say that we are, again, a dog training company. So for images, I don't know if this would work, but I think it's worth a shot. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go to Bolt.new. Can we make the pop-up window in the Chrome extension dog themed similar to the published images? So over here I have 39,000 data tokens remaining. I'm not sure how much each of these requests is taking, but let's see. Also, if I will go to Bolt.new pricing, nah, not that one, not that Bolt. Okay, the pricing page doesn't really come up immediately. You can purchase a paid subscription. Your Bolt.new settings in the lower left-hand corner of the application. Okay, so from 33, I think it was 33. Anyway, it's now down to 13K. So it uses a bunch of tokens to generate these requests. So here are the pricing. So the Pro costs $20 per month. You get 10 million tokens, $50 per month for 26 million. Okay, so it starts at $20 per month. And if you go yearly, that gets down to 18 per month. So you save 2 by 12, so $24. So let's download. Oops, I think I closed everything. So let's go back. Download the, I guess, the latest version of this. I'm going to delete what I had before. Unpack. And go back here and load unpacked. So in downloads, I'm going to go here and select that folder. So now, if I refresh this, I'm getting your file couldn't be accessed. Okay. Okay, it's quite weird. So this is the folder itself. Okay, I don't see any images here, to be honest, so maybe I should have specified what I mean. I'm getting this now. Not a background for my pop-up of dogs. Again, it might be something that might not be possible to do, but let's give this another shot if we don't run out of credits right there. It is pretty impressive that I managed to create this and just made it work with just one update to it. So here I have dog icon. Yeah, let's see. I've updated the pop-up with an inline SVG background pattern that creates a subtle paw print pattern. This eliminates the need for external mesh files and ensures the background will always work. Okay. Download. I'm also out of credits here, so we've used all the remaining tokens. If I go back to my downloads and delete my project, can extract the new folder, hit load unpacked, go to my downloads, project, select folder. Now if I go back here and refresh, webhook fetch. Okay, nice. Fetch data. I mean, I don't see the poll pattern that it mentioned, presumably because there are some broken characters here and here. But let's see if this still works. So if I run this and hello human, this is dog. Hit fetch data, put working data first successfully. Okay, and the information actually went through to make.com. So this might be a great way to build applications quickly and get them to do what you want them to do. So this is Bolt.new. It's a relatively new software platform. And the aim or the goal is to help you build applications that can go up to full stack web apps. So these are just some of the templates that you can use, or you can start a blank app with your favorite stack. So Vue, SlideV, Native Script, Next.js, Astro, Remix, TypeScript, React, Angular. So there's a bunch of stuff that you can do. Anyway, if you're into web apps and building stuff online that could possibly combine with make.com to get data from one place to another, this might be a great way to test out these ideas. So definitely give this a shot. There's a bunch of free credits you can use every single day as well. And yeah, let me know what you're building in the meantime. As well, in the meantime, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you want to get started with AI and automation in your business, check out the link in the description where I can help you with that. I'll speak to you in the next video. Cheers.